Hello and welcome to my channel. Let me just show you how to make the edge of your ribbing flare. So we begin by making a slip knot. Then make as many chains that you need for your project. So I'm gonna do 10 since this is just a sample swatch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the fourth stitch from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this counts as one single crochet, the second chain that we made in addition to the foundation chain. Then single crochet all the way to within 5 stitches from the end of the row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are now going to make it flare. So make a half double crochet on the next 2 stitches. So that's 1 half double crochet. Two half double crochet. Then double crochets on each of the last 3 stitches. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Then I turn on the second row, an even numbered row. I chain 2 just like always, and we are not going to make any tall stitches here. We are just going to do the usual single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, using the back loops only. So I'm toward the end of the row, and you notice I did not make any tall stitches. Turn, and from here you will repeat row 1 and 2 alternately until you meet the required length of your ribbing. This is all for now, my friends, and on my next video I will show you how to make the edging so that you can attach it to a pre-made part of a project. In this case, I'm making this to attach to a yoke. So I will see you on my next video, and for now I wish you a good day and God bless. Bye-bye.